this is probably going to be our last episode. चनक चनक चन चनक चनक चन चनक चनक हमारी शॉप खुल चुकी है.
Acting. Full on accumulation of changes that now I really believe.
चनक चनक चन चनक चनक चन. Good things take time.
आप राइटिंग मत स्टार्ट करो जब तक आपने 20,000 पोएम्स को याद नहीं कर लिया हो.
I'm so proud of us.
Me too.
हमको लगता है कि ये बाप है. ये बाप है ही नहीं. ये बाप है. ये बाप है. चनक चनक चन चनक चनक चन चनक चनक.
Can't I just not feel? Can't I just not be and like be like other people? And
2, 1, go for it. Go for it. These dots are connecting to another level.
That's
सुन सहेली सुन सहेली सुन सहेली सुन सुन सुन.
Hello Saheliyo and welcome to the Bindi Saheli podcast episode 11. कहाँ से इतनी एनर्जी पता नहीं. Okay, one second. Before we start this podcast episode, I just want to show you everyone's fit check.
Oh yeah,
Alright?
right. Fit check.
Fit check.
Fit check.
Wearing Bindi Love Drug bangles
Bindi OG pink bangles.
and this top from Hill Road. These jeans from I think Off Duty. Yes.
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 Pretty cool look, and I'm liking the cap situation going on
Thank
here.
you.
Yeah.
Department of Corrections. Absolutely.
Department of.
Corrections.
Oh my god. And like this looks so like, see, frankly speaking, before Bindi, like I was always into like a Persian fashion, like already like a Persian girl, and like all like basic these kinds of baggy fits I used to love. But now we are mixing Persian fits and like desi fits and adding with bangles and like Bindi. So it's Persian X desi girl.
100%. And now Dikshita's fit check. Dikshita is wearing the most amazing kurti. I have never seen a kurti like this. This is a Bengali kurti fit style. I love it.
Mics, bags, phones.
Utility max and style max. I love the sleeves. I love it. Awesome.
शीशे पे शीशा
शीशा टकराए जो भी हो
अंजाम. जैसे
चनक चनक चन चनक चनक चन चनक चनक चन बाजे रे. She's like, nah, not these guys.
Oh my god.
I know, it's a little
I
teda.
would have had
Oh,
a
careful.
Hi. Maybe she'll come in few years in our podcast.
Maybe, yes. The biggest question is, what's up with Bindi? What's going on?
What's going on?
What is going on? So guys, हमारी shop खुल चुकी है. Alright. Biggest update is that. And what's even more exciting is that this feels like the beginning and the end of a wonderful phase that we have we have been working on for Bindi.
Yeah.
And this is probably going to be our last episode for this season.
Season 1.
Season 1.
Oh, I got goosebumps.
Yeah. It's been a ride, no?
It's been a ride. And I think हम वो बोलते हैं ना कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना ज़रूरी होता है. So ये हमारी इस फेज़ की एंडिंग है. अब हमारे नेक्स्ट फेज़ की प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट होंगी. And yeah, like this was a good phase.
Good learning. So much we learned, what adventures we went on. Honestly, for two girls who don't even know the B of business, I think we've come
A long way.
a long way.
Yeah.
And a longer way to go. Longer way to
Definitely.
go for sure.
Definitely.
So, Aditi, what's the one thing that has been your biggest learning in the past 6 months?
Past 6 months, of course, business-wise तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सीखा. Like so many different experiences we had regarding like things that we didn't know, and you know, like of course, like पढ़ाई वाली चीज़ें थी. But I think personally, as a human, the biggest learning I had was if you believe it, you can do it, and you have to literally believe it. I wasn't believing for the longest time. Even I still like, you know, हम बात भी करते थे ना रिया कि हाँ नहीं, and Riya, like you are kind of a person who believes. You will dive into it. You know, like, and I was like, yes, I'm also like that. But you know, somewhere I think I was lying to myself. and
Acting.
full on acting. नहीं, और मुझे पता भी नहीं है, मुझे पता भी नहीं है, but I think the past week सबसे ज़्यादा change है, या फिर ये थोड़ा you know accumulation of changes that now I really believe, I can feel it that what we are doing, what we are becoming is just, you know, like it's gonna happen, we will make it happen.
100,000%.
So that was my biggest learning. Yeah, how about you?
My biggest learning was good things take time. That was my biggest learning. मैं बहुत ही impatient इंसान हूँ लाइफ में और मुझे patience का पी भी नहीं पता है. Like I want everything and I want it fast. But मुझे in the past few months मैंने ये सीखा है कि good things definitely take time because it's like a marination, right? कि अगर आप किसी चीज़ को prepare कर रहे हो, like my mom made हरियाली chicken yesterday. तो like she marinated it the whole night. और इतना सही था, इतना अमेजिंग था. एंड आई टोटली गेट इट. किसी चीज़ को अच्छा बनाने के लिए उसमें बहुत एफर्ट और समय देना ज़रूरी है उस चीज़ को मैरिनेट होने के लिए.
But you know, like on the continuing on this, like in this fast pacing world, you know, कि यहाँ पे किसी के पास पेशेंस नहीं है, जहाँ पे सबको जल्दी चाहिए, right? Yeah. Everything, like even the art that we create, the things that we do, we like हम तुरंत सोशल मीडिया में जाएंगे, हम तुरंत वैलिडेशन हमें चाहिए, हमें नहीं, like instant, we have to like run so fast and of course every good thing takes time. Every like आज ही मैं कहीं देख रही थी, जावेद अख्तर का मैं कोई इंटरव्यू देख रही थी and he said कि आप राइटिंग मत स्टार्ट करो जब तक आपने 20,000 पोएम्स को याद नहीं कर लिया हो.
That's a little too much. Okay.
He said the same. Okay. He said the same. And he's like, कम से कम 20 नहीं हज़ार तो कम से कम 200 तो याद कर लो. The point here is good things take time. It's a lot of practice. It's a lot of spending time with the thing that you're doing, right?
Yeah.
Anything.
It's like that Taj Mahal wasn't built in a day, Rome wasn't built in a day.
Yeah.
But I feel like our addition to that is it wasn't built in a day and it also takes time to become the person who can first of all visualize building a Taj Mahal in the first place.
That's so true.
It was only Shah Jahan who had the vision कि मेरे को बनाने का है Taj Mahal. To become that person who believes that is possible also does take time, and
that's so true. And you know, like I feel like with my experience of dance again, like I was telling you, of course it takes time, but once you get it, once you know, like for example, मैं को beats and all नहीं समझ आते थे. In the 4 years, I was just struggling कि मेरे को कब आएगा, मेरे से क्यों नहीं हो रहा, like you know, all these feelings. And now, when I knew how things happen, the process have become faster. Like for learning any new dance, it's easier for me. But it's a hard work of 4 years into getting that position.
Yeah.
That now I can learn it in a day.
I feel like we're also, do you feel this, that sometimes we're a little too hard on ourselves कि मुझे क्यों नहीं आ रहा है ये, मुझे क्यों नहीं जम रहा है ये, like even like dance for example, तू अलग ही आदत है, तू तो बहुत carefree है लाइफ में, तो अलग but
नहीं, मुझे पता है मैं किससे डरती हूँ. Of course ये मैं I think अपने आप को नई पोजीशंस में नए चैलेंजेस में डालने से डर रही हूँ इस फेज ऑफ माई लाइफ.
कंफर्ट जोन से
बाहर निकलना, लाइक यू नो, इतना टाइम लग गया यही चीज़ें सीखने के लिए, तो मैं नई चीज़ों को एक्सप्रेस सीखना चाहती हूँ, बट मैं डर रही हूँ कि यार ये टाइम जाएगा, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, यू नो, लाइक ऑल दीज थॉट्स. बट ऑफ कोर्स वो ब्रेक करना ही पड़ेगा.
डोंट थिंक ऑफ एनी ऑफ दैट, कट दैट शिट.
Cut that shit,
bro.
But like do you feel that, like,
I mean,
because you have been trying a lot of new things.
Yeah, like I'm not afraid to try new things at all. So this doesn't happen to me. मैं कर लूँगी try. But I feel like being hard on yourself.
Yeah, being hard on yourself.
Being hard on yourself. कि will I get this? Will I be able to do this? I feel like we are a little too hard on ourselves because perfectionism. मैं मेरी बात कर रही हूँ, अपनी बात कर रही हूँ. बट अभी ना मेरे में है नहीं. आई रिमेंबर कि हमने पहला एपिसोड जब हमने शूट किया था, पहला या दूसरा एपिसोड हमारा, तब मैंने परफेक्शनिज्म की बात की थी. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि आई यूज्ड टू गेट दीज थॉट्स ऑफ you know, it has to be like this, it has to be like this. I'm happy to report that perfectionism is out the door and that shit is gone.
And you
So
know,
not hard on myself anymore.
that's amazing, Riya. And you know, and you know what? Like, these are the moments, these are the success, these are the achievements that as humans we should celebrate.
Yeah, dude, worth celebrating.
वर्थ
for sure.
सेलिब्रेटिंग हम लोग ना इन मौक़ों को, इन मोमेंट्स को बहुत नज़रअंदाज कर जाते हैं, बट जो इंटरनल चेंजेस हमारे अंदर होते हैं ना, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई थिंक लाइफ इज़ ऑल अबाउट. रेस्ट बाकी चीज़ें तो होती जाएंगी.
Yeah. True.
लाइक यू नॉट चेजिंग परफेक्शन, इट्स सच अ बिग अचीवमेंट.
Yeah.
बिकॉज आधे लोग तो इसीलिए रुक गए हैं
Yeah.
कि हम कुछ परफेक्ट बनाएंगे.
Yeah.
यू नो, लाइक आई एम हार्ड ऑन माई सेल्फ ऑन अ डिफरेंट वे. लाइक मुझे इसका डर नहीं लगता कि मुझे परफेक्ट चाहिए या ऐसा चाहिए, बट मैं अपने आप को बहुत रूल्स में रखती हूँ. मेरे माइंड के अंदर मैंने इतने रूल्स बना के रखे हैं, मुझे नहीं पता ये कंडीशनिंग है, ये सोसाइटल है, बट ओ माई गॉड द अमाउंट ऑफ रूल्स आई हैव फॉर माई सेल्फ, इट्स इनसेन. लाइक हाउ माई माइंड, लाइक नाउ आई एम लाइक leave
It's
it.
like obstacles, like they don't exist.
They don't exist. It's all in my head.
Yeah.
But that's how I like really hard on myself.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm breaking that pattern.
Good, yeah. I think
Yeah.
awareness ही इन चीज़ों के बारे में आना is such a liberating thing.
I know, yaar. I really feel like
I'm so proud of us. I'm so
me
proud
too.
of us. Yeah.
And I also feel like मस्ती भूल जाती हूँ मैं. मतलब you know कितना ज़रूरी है अपने काम में मस्ती करना. We have to be this child again, right? Every time we say that, and then I forget about it.
Yeah.
And I have to continuously remind myself that you know I have to
Be
have
a
fun.
child again. Then, oh,
मम्मा,
Mom.
हाँ मम्मा, पॉडकास्ट चल रहा है.
Hi, auntie.
तो बेटा हेलो
तुम भी,
बेटा बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
अरे रुको, तुम भी हो पॉडकास्ट में कुछ.
Auntie, viewers को viewers
अपना पुलिया तो सही कर लेती.
नहीं, अरे वॉइस है तुम्हारी मम्मी.
वही से ओके, फिर भी थोड़ा सजेस्ट करो.
आंटी कुछ तो मैसेज दो ना हमारे फॉलोअर्स को. सबको
अच्छा,
क्या बोलना
message?
चाहोगे?
हाँ
हाँ, क्या आशीर्वाद देना चाहोगे सबको?
ओके
मम्मी,
कुछ भी आंटी, कुछ भी.
जल्दी.
बेटा आपके फॉलोअर्स को मैं यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि ये जो 2 मैजिक गर्ल्स आपको मिली है ना, ये बहुत बड़ा धमाल करने वाली हैं. इन्होंने कोई फॉर्मल वे में सीखा नहीं है, पर ये जो करती है ना बहुत दिल से करती हैं. है ना? और बिंदु इज नॉट जस्ट अ ब्रांड, इट्स अ नेम ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, योर पैशन, योर जज्बा, योर कॉन्फिडेंस.
Oh, mama.
That's all.
Thank you,
Thank
auntie.
you, mama. I
Thank
love you. Bye.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you, mama.
Okay. Take care.
Bye.
Okay.
Wow, that was amazing. और क्या चाहिए? हाँ. Just so special. I just love it that we're in such a special place in life. To be given this life, to be given these opportunities, to be able to do whatever we want
That's
and
so
create
true,
whatever
yaar.
we want in this world.
That's so true. And I think a lot of people don't look at that way. Like, oof. Actually, our life is so beautiful. Everything is around us. We just have to create and have fun.
Yeah.
I like last week तो मुझे बस ये लग रहा है मुझे काम तो करना ही है, बट मस्ती के साथ करना है. मैं एक भी मोमेंट स्ट्रेस का नहीं लेना चाहती हूँ. क्यों स्ट्रेस लेना है किसी भी चीज़ का?
This life is too short to be stressing about stuff.
And all the stress is in our mind.
Yeah.
Like if we can just control this, all sorted.
All sorted. और माइंड भी तो एक बॉडी का ऑर्गन ही तो है. हम क्यों भूल जाते हैं कि ये एक ऑर्गन है. जैसे पेट तुम्हारा डाइजेस्ट करता है, पैर तुम्हारे चलाते हैं तुमको, ये चीज़ सोचने का काम करता है. So you can just choose to ignore it if it's getting too much. It's just an organ. It will do the job that it has been doing for so long. And just like any other muscle, you can train it.
Correct.
So
Correct. But you know, like मुझे भी बहुत समय तक awareness नहीं थी. Like you know, you can train your mind. Like
Yeah.
now I'm getting that awareness.
Yeah, dude, we take our mind too seriously. हमको लगता है कि ये बाप है. ये बाप है ही नहीं. ये बाप है. ये बाप है. Not this shit. So that's very important.
I too used to feel I'm thinking from here only, but I think I was controlled by here. Or I don't know actually. I don't know. Like it's I used to feel like it's all here, but मेरा इधर से
Dude,
कंट्रोल
because यहाँ की चीज़ें सोचती नहीं है, यहाँ की चीज़ें सिर्फ फील
Feel
करती
करती
है.
हैं.
ये इंस्टिंक्ट है, ये गट फीलिंग, इंस्टिंक्ट, प्यार, ये सब से हम गवर्न होने चाहिए लाइफ में.
And, you
not
know-
by strategy and like numbers
Numbers and
and
all.
these are things that human beings have made.
एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ आई थिंक बीइंग अ वुमेन ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई थिंक जितना हम फील कर सकते हैं ना इट्स अ सुपर पावर. मुझे ये भी एक टाइम के लिए लगने लगा कि मैं क्यों इतना फील करती हूँ. लाइक यू नो वाई आई एम फीलिंग, वाई आई एम सो इमोशनल, वाई आई एम सो एक्सप्रेसिव. लाइक मुझे लग रहा था ये मेरी वीकनेस है. मेरे को तो सब लाइक यू नो एवरीवन विल टेक मी ऑन अ राइट लाइक इफ आई कीप ऑन बीइंग लाइक दिस पर्सन.
That's a superpower.
दैट्स माई सुपर पावर.
Yeah.
आई हैड नो आइडिया. मैं इतना वैसे जोन में चली गई थी कि यार कांट आई जस्ट नॉट फील, कांट आई जस्ट नॉट बी एंड लाइक बी लाइक अदर पीपल एंड आई सी एंड लाइक नो आई कांट.
Dude, honestly, everybody feels everything. Some people are just good at like acting that they don't feel anything. पर feel सबको सब कुछ होता है. I feel शायद थोड़ा कम या ज़्यादा और अलग चीज़ों में कम या ज़्यादा. But as human beings, at the end of the day, we all want to be loved. We all want togetherness, friendship, love, family.
सो मे बी फीलिंग का एक्सप्रेशन सबका अलग है.
Yeah, feeling का expression सबका अलग है.
व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट फीलिंग?
What a question! Wow. Favorite feeling is a feeling of
Butterflies.
yeah. Yeah, any feeling that gives me butterflies.
Any
is,
feeling that gives you
love gives
butterflies.
you butterflies. Adventure gives you butterflies.
You know, all these are like also chemicals in our body.
Yeah,
right?
they're
Like,
chemicals only.
what makes you feel good?
Yeah. But wait, my favorite feeling is actually, dude, no, my favorite feeling is trust. That's my favorite feeling. Like when I can feel कि मैं आराम से सांस ले सकती हूँ. I can be comfortable when I trust somebody. When I feel comfortable in the space that I am, it comes from trust.
Whom do you trust the most?
Myself.
I know the answer.
But I also trust you a lot.
That's there. But of course, we should always trust ourselves, the first person.
Yeah.
And you know, like all my life, मुझे लग रहा था I was chasing for this trust in another person.
Yeah, me too.
Oh,
Me too.
yeah, you relate to that?
100,000%.
मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं तो हूँ, बट मुझे कोई चाहिए जिस पे मैं ऐसे अंधाधुन ट्रस्ट कर पाऊँ, लाइक ट्रस्ट
Trust fall
हो
कर
जाए
पाऊँ.
और मेरी लाइफ सेट है. एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट आई हैवंट फाउंड अ पर्सन लाइक दैट इन माई लाइफ. बिकॉज अगर मुझे ऐसा कोई मिल जाता तो शायद मैं ये इंसान होती ही नहीं. और आज मैं जो हूँ, मैं कुछ और चूज़ करना ही नहीं चाहती हूँ कि मैं शायद मेरी कोई और लाइफ होती. बिकॉज आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट आई कैन बी विथ माई सेल्फ
Yeah.
and I can trust myself and I'm not depending and like finding that trust anymore in anyone else.
Self-Saheli.
Self Saheli.
Self-Saheli. No, but bro, इसी बात पे I want to prove that I can trust fall you.
Okay.
Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1, go for it. Go for it.
No, we have to have more distance.
Come on यार, नहीं.
तो फिर ऐसे
Yeah,
हुआ आदित्य.
ये मस्ती कर रही है दीक्ष.
अरे नहीं.
तू कर सकती है, तू कर.
I don't trust ना.
अच्छा ये तो हम पे ट्रस्ट करती नहीं है.
You trust me, then I can do.
Can you trust Dikshita?
I'll see. जय माता दी.
One second. रुक तो जा. Okay, 3.
दीक्षिता I'm trusting you.
हेलो, आराम से करो दोनों लोग, ठीक है? Nobody needs to get hurt. 3, 2, 1, go. क्या फुस दीक्षिता, ये क्या था दीक्षिता?
Good exercise.
Good exercise.
Dude, there was such an acting class exercise.
Yeah, we're all actors, so yeah, we will do acting. I actually used to love the theatre exercises and acting exercises जो हमें कराते थे in class.
कोई सी याद है अभी? कोई ऐसी याद आ रही है?
Yeah, the one where like one person comes in the middle and like does a dance step and the other person has
to follow them,
copy it and then
add to it.
and remember the one that the person did and then do the next one. Yeah, and then like like massive clowning, like get rid of all
I
your
used to love
inhibitions.
clowning. Clowning was really fun.
Yeah. I think the first time I did clowning, I was 18 years old. Hey, हमें जाना है Danzo? We are cooking some new bindi products.
Exclusive bindi. You cannot find that anywhere else in the world. Trust me on that.
So excited. Anyway, yeah. I did clowning for the first time when I was 17, 18, and I was like, what is this? Wow.
Wow.
Just opens you up to anything, everything.
Wow.
What's your favorite acting exercise?
So हम लोग को ये कराई थी एक्टर्स प्रिपेयर्स में और दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप. सो बेसिकली सपोज हम लोगों को बोला आपको पूरे रूम में वॉक करना है, बट आफ्टर एवरी 10 steps you have to change your pattern. So it was like how how our mind keeps on thinking in one direction. You change your way, you change your thinking pattern. So अपने thoughts भी अपने movement के साथ आपको change करने हैं.
Careful.
Yeah, be careful. Change your pattern.
To change your pattern.
So that I find it very like useful exercise for me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's so interesting. I'm just so glad, like, in this lifetime, I got to be an actor as well.
I can feel you, Rhea. I can feel you on that. I did an audition recently after a very long time. And इसमें हीर का कैरेक्टर मैंने प्ले किया. मेरा फ्रेंड आया था, उसने मुझे क्यूज दिए, रांझा बना था. एंड
हीर रांझा वाला?
हीर रांझा, या एक तो मैंने पूरा इंसाइक्लोपीडिया पढ़ लिया हीर रांझा की स्टोरी का. एंड जब मैंने ऑडिशन दिया, आफ्टर आई थिंक 2-3 months मैंने कुछ ऐसा ऑडिशन दिया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I was just there.
I think you will make the perfect heer.
Thank you.
The bestest heer. You will make such a sweet heer, it will become kheer.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no.
You knew some shit like that was coming. Yeah.
But yeah, dude, like acting do something to you. Yeah.
It's a gift.
It's a gift. Yeah. Do something to you.
Yeah. And I just feel like as actors we are more intuitive and more aware and present than most people. Does it feel like that? It feels like that to me sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, interestingly, I was wondering, a random thought, like, with AI and all the new developments that are going on in AI right now, AI models are called models because they are actors within an environment. ये बहुत interesting आ रही थी. तो basically AI क्या है? एक machine है basically. It does things, right? So उसको एक environment में एक structure, like suppose एक sandbox को imagine कर, उसमें तुमने एक robot को छोड़ दिया. वो robot एक actor है. वो उस तरीके से act करेगा जैसे आप उसको बताओगे. You are literally directing a robot, which is an AI, as an actor. And based on how that actor does things and does some patterns, pattern के ऊपर pattern, pattern के ऊपर pattern, उससे बनता है एक AI model.
Oh, damn, yeah.
It's like these dots are connecting to another level.
That's so true, यार. That's so true. And वही ना हम लोग बात भी कर रहे थे, like humans thinks everything is like बस चीजें हो रही अलग तरीके से, but हो रही same चीजें ही हैं.
चीजें हैं. वही.
But like if I ask you, like अगर तुझे like you have to start back, you are 17 again, just one fresh face, and you have to start your career again. What you will become?
What would I become?
Yeah, like what, like if you wanna like not an actor, like this time you are not becoming an actor.
Okay. I would become a director. I would start with direction. I would start with जो मुझे already करना आता है, which is writing. So I would take all of the stuff that I had written and just make it.
Wow.
I would start with that. Yeah.
But like you will be in the industry only. Like do you see somewhere anywhere around yourself out of the industry?
Yeah, I would probably do something in leadership. I don't know what, but something
You're
to
still
do with
doing
being a
something in
leader.
leadership?
Yeah, I think so, no? in
course.
some way, yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
What about you? If you had to start your career just out of Campus Princess, Aditi has just finished ramp walking and now she has to choose between going back to Bhopal or doing something else, what would you do?
Yeah, I think I did also in COVID. I started my brand.
Yeah.
It was Fika. Fika का मतलब I think इसी language में होता था just being there. Like being there was fika. And yeah, I did that, but I stopped it. Many reasons. I came to acting and like all that thing. But yeah, like if I have to start again, and I think that's what we are doing right now, I would just make pretty clothes and sell it to all the girls and like yeah, that's what I wanted to do.
And take pretty pictures.
Take pretty pictures.
Yeah.
Oh,
हाँ? हमारा
हमारा हो
मेरा
गया.
हो गया. हो गया.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
So guys, that was Bindi Saheli podcast episode 11. And with that, we are at the end of season 1 of the Bindi Saheli podcast.
Yes, end of season 1
End
and
of season 1.
yeah, it was okay. And बहुत अच्छे हमारे episodes हैं. हमने how was your experience है shooting the entire podcast?
I feel like ये podcast कम हमारी personal diary ज़्यादा है. And मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि ये बन गया है something like that because it's a way for us to see the people that we were in this moment.
That's so
और
true.
जब हम और हमारे सारे दोस्त it's a great thing to see the kind of people we were and who we were while we are in this
doing
process.
this. And I think हमने बहुत try किया ये, do you know, like remember when we were starting this out?
Yeah.
So many permutations and combinations we were trying, and yeah, finally we came and we made 11 episodes.
Yeah, and I think this is the realest podcast I have ever seen.
Yeah, I
And-
totally agree.
Yeah.
मिल गया भैया, मिल गया, thank you.
आपको मिल गया? Thank you so much for tuning in, सहेलियों, and हम आपको जल्द ही मिलेंगे
Super soon.
with new Bindi things.
New Bindi things, and shop is live, content is live, we are live, and
You are live.
You are live. Life is live.
Keep building, keep breathing, and keep smiling. And see you very soon.
See you very soon, girls. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe.
Like,
Share, and subscribe.
सुन सहेली सुन सहेली सुन सहेली सुन सुन सुन